Do you have a pool cage like this that's difficult to keep clean? I am going to make your life much easier. In addition, high ceilings, lights, outdoor fixtures, all those kind of things. Let me show you this extended reach 24-foot pole and dusting accessories, including one magic adapter. Let me show it to you. First off, check this out, 24 feet. And it's actually very light and easy to wield. Nice padded handles right where you want them to be. And in terms of adjusting, it's so simple. You just like pop that open, slide it out, and lock it down. Look at that. Oh, that is pretty darn cool. We're gonna have to test this out. We'll put a camera on there. We'll see. We'll put it fully out at 24 feet, see how it goes. A long dusting wand, a round super soft dusting wand, a window washer. This is so cool. You could have the fluid and wash here and then squeegee it off all on one reach. This is a coarse brush, so this would be like the side of your house, maybe the water line where you got to scrub some stuff off a boat, but a nice coarse brush. This is a nice, soft, delicate brush. This is what you would use like to clean your RV, sides of the RV, something like that. Really cool, or your boat, the surface of your boat. Ready for the magical one? This is the one. Oh, does that look like magic? Let me tell you why this is magic. All right, let's check out this reach. I'm all the way across the pool from you. Oh, this is so crazy cool. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, I'm not exactly sure when or why you would need the full 24 feet, but this is ridiculously cool. Let me show you something else. Okay, so here's why this particular device and this scrubber head is so important. Here in Florida, we get lots and lots of spiders who like to live up here and slide their way down and visit my daughters in the pool. And they, surprise or not, fans of that. This way, we could just kill them where they are and everybody could go in the pool just the way they want. Let me just show you once again how we extend this out, get some good reach out of it. You just flip these open, slide it out, clip it. Now it's secure. Go to the next one. You got to support it while you slide it out so it's not cranking itself, but look how far you are out there already. This is so cool. I could just get up here and be like, oh, you little spiders, you're gonna die, you're gonna die. You're not bothering my family anymore here at the pool. This is awesome. Now, obviously, you could do the same thing when the little mud wasp wants to make a house out of a light. I can get up there and get him without being personal with him or getting a ladder out. Look, you really want to stay off of ladders whenever possible, and this absolutely gives you an amazing way to keep yourself off the ladder, yet still reach far, 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 far. Haha, this is so cool. All right, let's go talk about this. All right, let's wrap this up. This was a super successful little test. This thing, little test, is probably not a really good answer. It is a real 24-foot. Look, there's one of those little spiders trying to get away, but we've got him. This is so valuable and so useful. I can't tell you, even just in our basic house here in Florida, the pool cage, amazing. We get those mud wasps. It's great to be able to send this up, get to them without getting on a ladder. Every once in a while, I have to replace light bulbs, which are way up there. There's an adapter that you can use on this to change the light bulb fixtures. And finally, I do love that squeegee because we have a couple windows that are pretty high up there, and you clean everything down here and the higher ones are still kind of dirty. It's going to be so nice to easily do those, again, without ladders. Anytime you can stay off ladders, that is a big win as far as I'm concerned. You should definitely get this for yourself. There is a link here on screen and down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you any extra to use. If I've added some value here in this conversation, please remember to like the video, follow the channel, smash that hype feature if we're here on YouTube. And if you have any other ideas of either how to use this or options, that kind of stuff, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear that. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.